Hello, I'm Piaget Jenkins. In this video, we will discuss environment variables and drive and port mappings. Environment variables are strings that contain information such as drive name, path, or file name. They control the behavior of various applications. So for example, let's use the environment variable server name. Now to configure environment variables, we want to navigate to Composition, Other, and Environment Variables. Keep in mind that any variable that is set in this area will actually be set at the beginning of the session. If you have any variables which you would like to be set at the beginning of the application launch, that could be configured within the Manage application. So let's go ahead and configure our first variable. We click Add here, and we type the administrative note, and the variable, and its value. And we click OK. Now additionally in this video we're also going to configure some shared drives and drive and port mappings for a couple of our departments, marketing and sales. So we also want to create the variables for them in this area as well. So let's go ahead and add another one. Once again, the administrative note, and the variable, and its value. And then we come here, we want to configure access control so that it's only set for the users within the sales group. And we click OK. And let's do the same for marketing. And the variable, once again, and its value. Then we set access control. Now that we have our environment variables set, let's go ahead and configure the drive and port mappings for our shared drives. To do that, you want to navigate up to Files and Folders and Drive and Port Mappings. As you can see, the users already have their home drive configured for them. We're going to configure their departmental shared drives now. You want to click on Add, and add the administrative note once again. And let's use drive letter S for sales. And we configure the share name here. And let's not forget our variables. And its location. And then once again we can use our department variable. And then we can configure the friendly name, which will be the name that the users see when they're clicking on a drive. And once again, we can use our variable. We do not want to hide the drive, so that way the users actually will be able to see it and interact with the drive. And once again, let's assign access control so that it's only available for users of this group. Now let's come down here, add once again, and repeat for the marketing department. And let's use drive letter M for marketing. Let's unhide the drive, and once again we add access control. Now that our drives are configured and our environment variables are set within our console, the only thing left to do is to log in with our users. Alright, now let's see if all the correct drive mappings are set properly according to the variables we set. Let's log on with our first user. Now that we're in, let's take a look. And looks like the marketing share has been set for our user within a marketing department. Alright, now let's take a look at the sales guy. Alright, here we are. Okay, one more look. There we are, the sales share. Alright folks, there you have it. Thanks for viewing. This has been Environment Variables and Drive Import Mappings for RES Workspace Manager 2011.